Now, despite playing second fiddle in recent times, Holmwood Technical High School say they are in line for top honours at this year's Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships. Now, the 10-time champions have brought in reinforcements as they seek to win their first title since 2013.
Holmwood Technical ended fourth at the recent Central Athletics Championships. But head coach Dave Anderson says he's not paying too much attention to that result as they fine-tune preparation for the Issa Boys and Girls Athletics Championships. Coach Anderson says, minor injuries aside, his team is speaking at the right time as they aim to lift their first champs title since 2013. Led by Captain Janet Allison, he says he has an all-rounded team ready to challenge for the title.
Michelle Arrett, 100, 200, double silver medalist from last year. Sashika Steele, who have won 100 meter in both class 3 and 4. She's looking good this season. Daniela Deer, defending champion, the 400 meter class 2. She'll be looking to defend her title. Ricky and Russell, defending champion, 400 meter class 3. She's also looking to defend her title. Cedrica Williams, defending champion, discus class 3. She's also in good stead. I've shown 44 meter this season. So we have quite a few Kavia Francis who have joined us from Manchester, who have been a medalist over the past 2 years at her previous school, and she's doing well at home this time around.
But after a fourth place finish at Central Champs this year and third place at Champs 2018, can the 10-time Champs winners realistically close the gap on champions Edwin Allen?
Well, we lost by 39 in 2018, and I'm very confident that with much more improvement, we should be able to get a bit closer. Championship is all about executing over the 5 days, so it can come down to any team who have executed properly. So we are right there and know that we need to just have a very good chance, and then the result will speak for itself.
Sprinter Kavia Francis has transferred from Manchester High and is expected to provide valuable points for her new school. Now wearing the maroon and white of Holmwood Technical, the Class 1 athlete is looking to improve from her last outing at Champs.
Unfortunately, I didn't go to 400 finals because of a minor setback, and in the 200 I came second and I ran 23.58, and I'm hoping this year that I can improve my time and do much better.
And even with talks of Edwin Allen, Heidel and San Diego, quarter miler Daniela Brissett competing in her second year for Holmwood may well epitomize the fearlessness of this Holmwood team.
I'm a fearless person, so and I like to compete, so I don't pay anybody mind, because at the end of the day, it's me. It's all about me and my team, not anybody from any other school, just me and my team.
The Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships will be held from March 26 to 13 at the National Stadium, with live and exclusive coverage on TVJ, TVJ-SN, OneSpotMedia.com, and extended coverage on Hits 92 FM. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.